involved in a near-fatal
Florida
car
Tampa Bay
accident.
rapper RODWAVE in near-fatal car accident totaling his brand new 2020 C8 Corvette.
Alright boys, so the time has come. I'm tired of waiting for these frame rails. It's literally been, we've been waiting for over a month now. They're on the way. Don't worry, they're coming. But me and Matthews want to rip this thing. So the only thing holding us back from ripping it is putting the radiators on, which we have. So these are the old frame rails. I'm thinking, I think I'm just gonna cut these, get rid of all the damaged part, cut this off, and then just mount the radiators onto the damaged part. You know, we're trying to go rip this thing down the street. I'm thinking, you know, a little splice and dice here, splice and dice there. Honestly, there's no game plan behind here except see if we can get this thing to get her to rip. So I'm gonna start cutting this thing. Little self tappers should be in there. Boom.
Self tapping the C8 together.
Dude, people are gonna be like, dude, what are you kids doing?
Yeah, she should be good.
Yep, ready to rip. Tater chip. I'm smooth with it. Hell yeah, brother.
OEM, custom.
She's a little short on us, but I'll never hurt nobody. Matthew's has been short his whole life. Look at him. Bro. Oh, she's pretty sturdy.
200 miles an hour sturdy?
Yeah, maybe. Yo, look at this. This ain't going nowhere. How fast do you think we go, Matthews? 200. 200?
200. If we don't hit 200, I'm gonna be disappointed. We have so much weight reduction. This is the lightest Corvette on the planet.
Hey, last time Matthews touched one of these, show him what happened.
So I'm cameraman.
Yo, Matthew's actually scared of it. He won't touch a grinder.
Dude, I got one pickup. You guys have 2 chances to pick up. I pick up once, I'm done.
My neighbors love me. My neighbor is like, shut the fuck.
Dude, that'd be so funny. When in doubt, bang it out, baby.
If there's a will, there's a way. Yo, she's in. We're thinking about using like 4x4s if we couldn't use this because we wanted to drive this thing so bad. We're waiting on parts. We have to rip this thing. That's the next thing that needs to happen. No one wants to see us taking bolts off no more. We need to see us at the drag strip. If we get this thing running good, we should take it to the drag strip.
It'd be the fastest C8, baby.
Definitely need to bring it to the car meet, bare minimum. We're like really copyright. Who wants to smoke? 10 bands. Where's my glasses at? Yo, how fresh are these, Matthews? 1 out of 10. 1. You put them on. Oh, baby. Took him off so fast. He's like, yo, don't film that. Alright, let's go. Dude, these things are tinted and it's dark. I can't see shit. Alright boys, so right now it's the next day. I'm about to head down to AutoZone, and I think what I decided is I'm just gonna run a long piece of radiator hose just like this from here to here and loop the system because I'm fine with there being only 1 set of fans. I think there's gonna be plenty of cooling, and I really just want there to be cooling in this thing so we can go rip it around a little bit. And then once we do that, after I go get this hose right now, I'm about to go get this thing aligned because this thing, it honestly it doesn't even drive that good right now because the whole suspension's binding up because like the wheels are like angled this way and this way, so it needs an alignment. So I got my buddy's trailer there. He was nice enough to let me use it, and yeah, that's the plan. So once we get the hose, you know, let's get this thing ripping. So let's start. Why is my hood open? Major cold start. I haven't started up this morning yet. Oh my God. Alright boys, so this is what we're working with. I got this hose, I just got this hose, we made it back. I'm gonna put this on here, and then I'm gonna fish it to there, and then we're gonna fill this thing up with coolant, and hope we don't got no leaks. So that is the plan. Alright, so I literally just had to MacGyver this. My hose was the wrong size, I needed a little bit bigger, so I used the factory hoses, the new ones that I bought for the new radiators. I'm not putting the new radiators on just because it's just a lot of work, and I don't know if I can put them all together like those are. So I figured I would just snake this around, and there's plenty of cooling to be able to cool this car. I don't need dual radiators. I mean, it would be nice, but we're just trying to drive this thing a little bit, and it's cold out. It's like 70 degrees here in Florida, so we're good. All right, time to fill her up. This is exciting. Been waiting for this moment for a minute. Where's the coolant? Oh, right there. Coolant cap off. I'm gonna get my funnel. If we can rip this thing today, you don't know how happy I'm gonna be. Oh my God, I spilled some. We have a massive leak. I should have been looking this whole time. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, dude. What the hell? I think it's coming out of the radiator. Jeez. Well, 4 gallons of coolant. I don't want to put it down the driveway, but what the hell do I do? Maybe put a pan? Yeah, a pan would be a good idea. God, I'll put you guys down. We're just gonna pull these radiators off. There's secondary radiators back there, so I'm literally just gonna hook these together, take this tube off, this radiator hose, and then connect this one to there, twist the hose so they connect, and I'm gonna fill her back up because we're filling this thing up with coolant and getting her up to pimp. So we brought the C8 to this alignment shop to get it aligned because still waiting on parts, and then we're gonna bring this thing to CARMAX. So about to throw it on the trailer and roll out to CARMAX because we don't got much more. Dude.
Fucking suck, man. You gotta put that in the end.
I'm about to redo it all.
What you got to say right now, Judah? What the fuck are we doing?
So we just pulled up to the alignment shop. I dropped my C8 here earlier, and we're getting it aligned, and then we're throwing it on the trailer again once it just got aligned. And then we're going to CARMAX to get, dude, I don't even know why.
You getting sucked.
Do a burnout?
Judah's Garage kit car. Check out the new go-kart, baby. Whoa. Yo, what you driving, dude?
We're about to go rip this thing.
Yo, is this the new kit car?
Yeah, it's the new kit
Yo,
car.
let's go for a little drive and see if it drives straight.
It drives straight, but
No, let's go.
I'm scared to drive it too much. It's freaking got.
No, let's go. Let's go. Come on, no,
At
let's
CARMAX,
go.
we're going to
No,
to CARMAX.
No, let's go
Matt's
now.
just shoving me in here. He's not like, he's like, listen, we're going.
Nope.
He's like, you're not getting out.
Let's go real quick. I'm trying to give y'all content. God damn. With the yellow stitches. Let me see if I get my focus. What the roof look like? God damn. RODWAVE just had to do it to him.
It says the hood's open. Can you check it?
Yeah, let me check. Nah, you're good.
Or no?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, okay.
You're good. Go!
What's that sound? My foot cramped up.
No big deal.
My foot cramped up halfway through and I almost like, yeah. Ready to rip. So we dropped the C8 off here to get aligned because it was all out of whack. And now, I think we're gonna bring it to CARMAX. What do you think, Matthews?
I think that's
What do you think they're gonna give us?
I think 35,000.
Dude, I honestly
30.
I think I have no idea.
30,000.
Maybe less. We're gonna pull up and tell them like, it's my dad's car and I wrecked it last night. We're gonna tell them it was a bad night last night. See if they're gonna give us an offer for this thing. I don't even know if they will because we're missing the whole front end. They're like, this is RODWAVE's, isn't it? We'll give you an offer. That should give us like a fat offer. So we're gonna pull her off. I'm actually gonna fill her up with some gas because we got the OG gas. It's got like 8-month-old gas probably, or 6-month-old or whatever it is. Slide in. Oh, not like that. I just gotta go in like this. No.
Bro, that is the worst.
Oh fuck, oh, hey, chill, man. Hey, it hurt.
I'm going in, watch out.
No.
I'm driving.
You're not pulling off the chair, you'll get off. Watch out.
Idiot. Why was that so hard?
He made it as hard as possible.
It's too big?
I'm too big. You wouldn't know about that.
What's your pin?
It's 6969.
We're about to sneak our ass over there across the road, and they have no idea.
First real drive though.
They have no. Yeah. Okay, whatever. We're not ripping it, so it doesn't matter. They're not gonna know we're recording. We're gonna act like we're drunk and we crashed our dad's car and we're rich as fuck. And yeah, Yo, let's make a bet. If they pay us, 30.
How much do you think you're? They'll even give us?
I want to make a bet. If they offer us anything more than 30K, because Judas said they're not gonna pay more than 30K. I think more than 30K. If they pay us more than 30K, Judas buying us dinner tonight. God damn, we in the coop, baby.
Hey, don't slam that door.
Yo, don't fucking tell me how to live my life. That wasn't that hard, was it?
That was kind of hard.
Dude, shut up.
All right, boys.
We got the iPhone quality. We're going undercover.
How do I turn my lights on?
It should be on the left side. Yo, that C8 interior be looking fresh though. She's slow as fuck.
It's like, I don't know what's going on.
It's in limp mode or something.
It's definitely like, I don't know, bro. I mean, we are missing half the car. So this is how we're looking right now. So I kind of like wrecked my car last night. I brought it here. I need like a quote on it.
It's not that big of a deal.
This is like a fender bender though. It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
I mean, dude, it's a mailbox. It was the concrete brick mailbox, but it was just a mailbox.
He said we're gonna check under the hood. Hey, well, we don't gotta worry about that.
Check the trunk, homeboy. My dad's gonna be pissed.
What do you think? You think it's bad?
It looks like a go-kart almost.
Yeah, basically.
From the back though, it looks pretty good. Like,
It does.
You should just send the picture.
yeah, can you like
Send the pictures.
Yeah.
Just the back or something.
maybe like
the side.
forget about the front ones? You know what I mean?
I think they'll notice.
Oh shit! Can you tell the damage?
Nah, I was thinking, nah, man.
I let him drive it.
Does it run?
Yeah, it runs. Yeah,
Yeah,
it runs
that's
good.
what I'm saying.
I'm trying to trade in before my dad finds out. Like we brought.
You think they'll notice the damage?
Yeah, no, I get. They said
No,
they're
we
gonna,
just backed it in
they're
the
gonna
house.
give me
He
an
doesn't
offer.
know.
They said.
Should I get
From the back, it looks really good. From the front,
Are you guys trying to buy a Corvette?
yeah, I'll sell it to you.
Right?
You guys don't want?
Discount, right?
Yeah, discount.
You get discount.
I
Like,
get-
since 1/3 of it's missing.
Yeah, I'd say 1/4.
1/4.
So I'll give you 1/4
Yeah, maybe
off.
like 1/5 if we're being generous. It's not that, dude. It's not that bad. It's a mailbox.
It's a mailbox, man.
It's probably going to take them quite a while to put the end number
Yeah.
for you. They're still having to do a bunch of research. I'm not sure if you're wanting to stick around or just have us email you the offer. Or
You want to buy it? I'll give you a good deal.
No, I appreciate
Give
it.
you 1/4 off.
It's look.
Do you think it's
That
more
seems
than?
fair at that
Think it's
point.
more than a fourth or like
Probably,
1/3?
Yeah.
Give you 1/3 off.
I was hitting. This car does not slide. Oh shit! We just actually slid.
Yo, this thing rips. The plan was not to rip it, but at least we know she drives now. This car might be clapped right now, but it's still sick.
Like definitely clean.
This was actually a lot of fun, bro. Just ripping it just now.
Yeah, that's Rod Waves. You seen it?
Seen it? Yeah, I appreciate it, bro.
You're vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm filming right now. Say what's up.
I watch your video so much,
Really?
bro. Like right now, I was watching it over at my job. I literally chased him. Like, I chased your truck down. Like, I'm in a
Just drove it
van.
for the first time.
For
What's
real?
up, bro?
Yo, my name's Andy, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm like, bro, let me catch this light. Like, I literally, this is not even my mom's car.
I'm sliding.
Like, this is not my car, it's my mom's car. So I'm like, bro, my mom don't have good tires.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take off this kid, I don't care. If I pop it, I pop it. I work at
Yeah,
an
yeah.
van. So I'm like, yo, I'm hitting, I'm doing
If
70.
I pop it, I pop it. So it's the next day. CARMAX just sent me my my appraisal. I don't know what it is yet. I haven't opened the email. I'm gonna call Matthews and get him in on this.
They're gonna give you 20,000.
Probably not gonna answer. He always answers, of course, when we're filming. He's not gonna answer. What? I guess we're gonna have to do it without Matthews. They just sent it to me. 457. It's 508. What do you think it's gonna be?
25.
25 grand, dude.
25, man.
It might
okay,
be-
the way it is.
I honestly do not know. I literally couldn't even imagine. But I can't even think. Honestly, the fact they gave me an offer is pretty impressive. Oh my god, bro!
On point.
You did it! Oh my god! God.
Yo!
Dude, did you look at the email or something?
No, dude, car
Bro,
salesman, I'm the best out here.
This kid's a freaking like a legend. 25 grand. Should we cash it in? It's Matthews. Finally called back.
Hey, you asking me why I ain't answering, boy? I sold my truck.
Oh, dude, that fast?
Bro, I sold that truck in one day, made 5 bands, bro.
Do you think it has to do with your shirt you're wearing or no?
Yeah, if I didn't have to always grind it, I would have not had it.
Matthews, look at, he's been kind of slacking a little bit, and you know, I give him one of these always grinding hoodies, and look at him, makes 5 grand. That's a testimony right there. So it's a pretty good ROI. Like you buy the $50 hoodie, and then you make 5 grand. Just like Matthews. That boy flexing.
Hey, yo, you buy the fucking hoodies and you guys will make some bread.
Damn, that boy flexed.
Come on.
Don't play with your boy.
We going up from here, bro. What you mean, bro? Look, it's money going up, bro. We only going up.
I got the hoodie and I got into my old Bitcoin account and I got $3,000 that was sitting there and I couldn't get into. I got into
how much was in there when you lost the password like 3 years ago?
All right, so me and Judah thought we were on some like investment. Like we bought some Bitcoin back in the day when it was $1,700. And all you gotta know, I'm not gonna tell you what happened, but we lost all of it. Okay?
We lost all of our
We lost
monies.
all the Bitcoins, but I had something of a Bitcoin that was like $400, and now that Bitcoin went from $1,700 to $20,000. That point, nothing turned into $3,000, and I got in my account yesterday.
From a total L, like he lost all of his money.
Yeah, so
he made money.
So yeah, so I'm up 3 from Bitcoin and up 7 from the truck I just sold. Now I'm.
And that was yesterday.
Your boy is literally
and then you sold the truck today.
Yeah, $10,000 richer from yesterday morning.
Hey man,
all because of the hoodie. All
the
because
hoodie works in mysterious ways, man. Oh hey, are you tired, unmotivated, lazy? Simply buy a Always Grinding t-shirt available at shopjudasgarage.com to fix all your problems.